Mel, our driver's never been here. We got it for free. And there's nothing in it. And Alaska's it's my mind. Where is my mind? Yeah. Definitely not be the only person with this idea. Waking up early. Again, Monday is a holiday, and that's why there are so many people here. And as directed by the locals, they said that earlier, the better you were going to have to wait in line so you could see the whale sharks. We thought we woke up pretty early. We got here about 5:40. Apparently everybody else was a little bit earlier than us today. Here are some of the attractions around this island that are pretty close. We are definitely checking out Tumalog Falls today. Alright, we made it out here. We've seen a couple of them break the surface already. If you are a good swimmer, you're allowed to take off your life vest. Oh man, it's cold. Man, it is deep, dude. Insane. Unfortunately, I think it's like jellyfish season around here. I caught like plenty of tentacles on my arms, on my legs. I was getting stung. If you can see in some of the videos, there was actually some jellyfish around us. Thankfully, they're not like huge ones, and it's just not like the actual jellyfish stinging you. It's just like the tentacles are broken off, but still hurts. You'll feel it. There's like some needles just getting you. You're like, oh, like real hot, I guess you could say, but. Man, that was awesome. It was something else to see a creature that big in the water. We are currently headed to Tumalog Falls. From the area where the whale sharks were at, it's probably like 5 minutes like back north up the road to a waterfall. Like, why not, right? So, unfortunately, we did some shitty research on where to stay around Body and Falls and wasted our batteries on like pointless other stuff and weren't focused. We decided to drive 45 minutes away to like an hour, and we booked this room online only to get to the place and like nobody's like answering the fucking gate. Alright, quick update from the situation earlier. The people answered the door here at the villa. Unfortunately, they had no idea that we booked online. We booked it about like maybe an hour ago, and he said that's why they generally get the updates, or didn't get the update in time. Hold on, there's this mosquito, I gotta kill him. Oh. I missed him. Oh well, we'll get him later. But yeah, so this place that we booked, it was $38 US. Yeah, it's the nicest place we've stayed in since we've been in the Philippines. So here's the room. Looks like we've got lots of books here. We actually have a mirror for when you want to get ready, curtains, cabinets. There's the AC. Here's the bed. Not only that, the bathroom is actually really nice. There's a nice shower in here. The toilet over here. sink, mirror. And the gentleman who owns it is Scottish, but grew up in England. Used to work in a submarine, was military, was in a Chinook crash with 47 people, and he was one of 11 that survived. So yeah, they're very nice people. They said that they're cooking dinner tonight. We're more than welcome to join them. He's making some roasted chicken, so we're gonna eat with them. Just made us a cup of coffee, a cup of tea. Not only that, that was the room. This is the like living room area. We actually have a functioning sink, dishes. We have another fan over here and a fridge to plug in if we want to. Not only that, there's an extra bed here, and we have couches just to chill on. Okay, so that was the inside of our room. This is actually the facility or his house in general. It's got a gate, good landscaping. There's actually like, these are like spikes up here. All of this is barbed wire like all around. Definitely a fortress, which is nice. Not to mention he's got grass here, which is awesome. I mean, it's like super soft. I can walk on it with my feet. He was telling us this story how he bought this. Look, Marty, you're gonna love this. He bought this bug in Cebu for 6,000 pesos. That's $60 in the US. Said the motor was locked up, they took the sparks out and everything, got flooded and stuff. He said it took him about 2.5 to 3 years to restore it, but are you kidding me, for $60? Like, man, I would have bought it too. Yeah, this place is like really, really sweet, yeah. And not to mention, so they keep track of like all of the people who come in and stay.
Are you going anywhere tonight?
Are we gonna go anywhere? Probably not.
Is there anything that you recommend seeing or something? I don't know, in this area.
Other than that, we might just go get some beer and bring it back, but other than that, that's about it. That's all we have. But we just have a very early morning.
It's very nice.
Summer Beach is very nice.
You can either eat with us or you can go down there. There's plenty of cafes down there.
Oh yeah, I would love to eat with you guys. Yeah, that's, yeah. I mean, I'd rather have some home cooking versus like another restaurant. We've been eating at different restaurants the whole trip and stuff, so some home cooking is definitely a plus. Do you mind if I put you on camera at all? Is that okay? No? Okay. So,
I haven't got a criminal record.
Alright, this is our host here, and he's cooking us a, you know, fresh home cooked meal, which is awesome because we've been just eating out the whole time. This is his lovely lady here, and the most interesting part about this is, so they have this map here, and they put dots on the map from who's ever stayed here, where you're from. And the first guy from the US actually stayed last night. He was from Seattle, but as you can see, nobody's on Texas. We are definitely going to put a dot up there. Lots on this side of the world, but lots of Russians apparently. So this is the moment we've been waiting for. He just gave us our pen to pin us on the map here. Do it right, Beto.
That's where we're from.
Nice.
Texas is famous for the Lone Ranger.